friends, welcome to Sumi Fashions. Today we are here with a beautiful mull cotton collections with new design. Those are polka prints. These are very much in trend these days and it's most running pieces. So first piece here we go. These are big polka print sarees. Look at the pallu guys. This is how the pallu looks like. It's a very beautiful collection. It has a green contrast border as well. This is how the pallu looks like. And let's see the material. See how soft the material is. It's like lifting a soft cotton. So this much transparent it is. Look at this guys. It's the softest material I have ever seen. And this is the body guys. This is the body. Look at that, how beautiful collection. All over the saree we have the same print guys. And this beautiful saree is priced at 2200 only guys. We have another saree. This is also same material, soft mull cotton with this beautiful multicolor collection. These are medium sized polkas and this is in different pattern if you see. So triangle shape, triangle shape you have all the polkas printed, and at the end you have this beautiful white pom-poms. Let's see the body, how it looks like. This is how the body looks guys. So beautiful. Very soft material. If you just bring it to hand, this is how soft it is. So this beautiful saree is also priced at 2200 only. Next we have this very beautiful bright mustard color. So this is most trending color guys. And it has a contrast black polka printed all over the saree. And look at this. This is how pallu looks like. Look at this. This is the overall look of pallu. Okay, and let's see how it looks. And it has a contrast this black lines as well. See guys. Material is very soft, very lightweight. And let's see the body. The body is having this polka prints like this, along with a contrast black border. This is very beautiful saree guys. So this is priced at only 2k, 2000 rupees only. We have very different color combinations. This is also similar to the mustard one. This is dark purple. So this is how the material looks like guys. See, soft, very soft. This is how the pallu looks like. Same black polkas with a black contrast border and pom-poms in black color. This is the pallu. And this is how the body looks like. So another beautiful saree. This is small polka prints guys, and this is also very beautiful peachish color, English peach color. So see how it looks guys. These sarees are very soft and very it complements all the skin tones. So this is the pallu. Let's see how the body looks like. So this also has a contrast border and with the black polkas all over the saree. Small polkas. Very beautiful saree guys. These all the sarees are mull cottons. And we have one more color in this collection. Small polkas. So this is how the pallu will look like. So look at this, how beautiful color guys. gray with white. So beautiful. So much in trend. And this has a beautiful pom-poms. This is double color, guys. Pallu is in double color. So this is how the saree is gonna look like. Look at this. Yeah, let's see the body. All over the saree we have double color, gray and white. So this is how the saree will come. Yeah, we have another one saree. Very small polka print. This is very different saree. These are the prints. Camera, it's not seen clearly. Look at this, guys. So this is how the print looks like. So beautiful. Black border. This is how the pallu looks like. Let's see the body. You can pair up this with a plain black blouse. It looks amazing, guys. It's very lightweight. And all through the saree and pallu, it's the same print. Full polka prints. Yes. So all these polka prints are priced at 2K. So let me complete the pricing. We are also displaying the prices on the screen. So this multicolor saree and the big polka print are priced at 2200. Rest all these colors, medium polkas, are priced at 2K only. 2000 rupees only. So these are the collections of Mal cotton, guys. These are very limited editions and we are giving at very affordable prices. Please do grab this deal as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a good day.